channel. Today we are making a two-color rose flower. Let's start. This rose flower, this is a two-color flower. Let's start with the tutorial. Flower, we need two different colors of your choice, a crochet hook and a scissor. Let's start with green color yarn. Make a knot. Now we need to make 53 chains. And 53. Make 52 single crochets. Means we need to make single crochet in every single stitch. You can count them backward to find out that 52 single crochets are there. We have 52 single crochets. Make 5 chain. Make double crochet in same chain. Skip 2 chain and make 2 double crochet in one stitch. Again skip 2 chain, make 2 double crochets in one stitch. Skip 2 chain, 2 double crochets in one stitch. 1 2 skip 1 and 2, 1 double crochet, 1 2, 2 double crochet. Again skip 2 chain, 1 double crochet and the another double crochet in the same stitch. Now we need to repeat the pattern till the end. skipping 2 chains and making 2 double crochets in one stitch. One to skip, and in third need to make 2 double crochets. Now we are going to work in these spaces that we make in last round. Make 3 chain in first page, make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochets in same space. Now we need to skip one space and repeat the pattern here. 2 double crochets, 2 chain and again 2 double crochets, and we need to skip the next space. Repeat the pattern. One space, and then next we're going to make 2 double crochet, 2 chain, again 2 double crochets. Again we need to skip this space. We have a space here, and then next we are going to make 2 double crochets, 2 chain and again 2 double crochets in the same space, all in the same space. See, we have another space here that we are going to skip, and next we are making 2 double crochet, 1 and a 2 double crochet, 1 and 2 chain, again 1 double crochet and another 1 double crochet. We need to repeat till the end of the row. We need to make chain 1, turn around, skip this space. In second space we are going to make 8 double crochets. Eight double crochet. In next space we need to skip or make a slip stitch. Again in next space we are going to make 8 double crochets, Next space, make a slip stitch. In third space, make 8 double crochets again. Slip stitch in the next space. In fourth space, make 8 double crochets. Now again we need to make a slip stitch, and next we are going to make 8 double crochets. Now we are done with our 5 rounds, or we can say 5 petals. Now here we need to make a slip stitch, but what we are going to do is change the colors. I'm going to change to pink. You can choose whatever you want. Let's make it here. Sorry. Turn from the loop, and now we have our pink color. Make 8 double crochets. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we need to cut the extra yarn here. Again, make a slip stitch. Next it, make 8 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slip stitch and repeat the pattern. Slip stitch. Now we are left with only one space. In this space we are going to make 13 double crochets. Thirteen. 13. Make a slip string and cut the yarn. So you can see this is how it looks. Now we are going to shape it as a flower. I'm choosing this on the lower side and pink one on the upper side. Look, our rose flower is ready. As like this. We have, you can choose the way you want. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Shade of Wool Art.